Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're always on the go, cooking in small spaces like dorms or RVs, or just want a versatile appliance that air fries, crisps, reheats and dehydrates in a portable glass bowl, it's microwave and dishwasher safe, then get excited because today we're crisping up a compact kitchen hero. It's the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer. This innovative device has a 4-quart glass bowl for easy viewing and cleaning, powerful air circulation for crispy results with little oil, and 4 functions to handle everything from fries to dehydrated snacks. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description and trust me, if you need a portable multifunction air fryer that fits your busy lifestyle and makes healthy cooking simple, this is the one that'll change how you meal prep on the fly. Let's break it down and see why it's a Crispi winner in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer. This is a compact 4-in-1 appliance with a 4-quart borosilicate glass bowl that's heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, microwave safe for quick reheats, and dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. No more scrubbing non-stick coatings that wear out. The air fryer uses rapid air circulation technology with a 1,500 watt heater to cook food evenly from all sides, achieving crispy textures with up to 75% less fat than deep frying. It has 4 smart functions: air fry for golden crisps like fries or chicken tenders, crisp for extra crunch on reheated foods, reheat to revive leftovers without sogginess, and dehydrate for making fruit chips or jerky at low temps. The digital touch controls are intuitive with preset options for common foods and an adjustable temperature range from 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, plus timer up to 60 minutes. The glass bowl has a clear view so you can monitor cooking without lifting the lid, and it comes with a crisper plate insert for better airflow. Dimensions are about 11.5 inches in diameter and 9.5 high, weighing around 7 pounds. Super portable with a handle for easy carrying. Setup is plug and play. Just insert the bowl, select your function, and start cooking. Priced around $129, it includes the glass bowl, crisper plate, and recipe guide to get you inspired. Versatility is a standout. Take it camping with power, using small kitchens, or even as a microwave alternative for crisping. The glass material is durable, BPA-free, and lets you see the food transform, adding fun to the process. Now, pros and cons to keep it honest. The pros are crisping strong, fast cooking with rapid air tech for crunchy results without oil, easy cleanup since everything's dishwasher safe, portable design that's lightweight and compact for travel or small spaces, 4 functions that replace multiple appliances, and the glass bowl for visible cooking and microwave compatibility. Users love how it crisps leftovers better than a toaster oven, dehydrates snacks perfectly, and the clear view makes it engaging for kids. It's quiet and energy efficient too. On the con side, the 4-quart capacity is great for small families but might be too small for larger groups. Some note it takes a few uses to master the presets. The exterior can get hot during use, so keep it away from edges, and a few mention the bowl is heavy when full, though most say it's manageable. Overall, pros dominate for on-the-go cooks. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer if you travel often or have limited space. And the pros like portability, easy clean, and multi-functions make sense for your lifestyle. It's ideal for dorms, RVs, or busy singles wanting healthy, crispy meals without the mess. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your kitchen crisping, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a cooking friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.